how to buy Prime membership in Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy Prime membership on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Prime membership on Amazon, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, and then you'll basically see this type of interface. After you're on this page, just make sure to sign into your Amazon account if you do have. If you don't have, you can create one, or you will be asked to create one when you tap the start your free trial button that you can find it over here. Once you've logged in or signed into your Amazon account, over here you'll ask you to see all of the Prime benefits. You can view all of these yourself, and then over here you'll find the option to select a payment method. All you have to do is basically just select your credit or debit card, or maybe even just your Venmo account. Once you've done this, just tap on it and then make sure to enter your payment details, and as you've entered your payment details, you can save the changes and you would have successfully bought your Prime membership on Amazon. This way you can buy Prime membership on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.